All right, so we're going to start by just saying, I'm assuming if you've hit this point, you know how to do implicit differentiation at a basic level, and you know what concavity is on a basic level. When we're looking for concavity, we're looking for where the second derivative, whether you want to call it like the second or whatever, is greater than 0 or less than 0, not negative or positive, however you want to call that. The big question is, how do we do that here? Well, the first thing you're going to want to do is solve for y prime, so that when we take the derivative, we get the second derivative in a very simplistic state. If we did it now, there'd be product rule. That'd be kind of a mess. So we turn this into x y prime 5 minus y. Then we'll divide both sides by x. Yeah, that's fine. A lot of ways to do this. This is probably the easiest way. Y double prime is equal to low d high. Yeah, minus high d low all over low squared. I don't think this much is that much of an issue. This is just taking another level of derivative to get the second derivative. The big question is, what do we do with y prime? That's the trick here. That's what I'm going to show you. Y prime is 5 minus y over x. So y prime, negative, make sure the parenthesis there, 5 minus y over x. And then the rest of this. So that's really other than the basics of being able to take your second derivative well, do the work properly, you just need to know that when we have y prime in our y double prime equation, typically you're able to solve for y prime in terms of y and x. So then you just plug that in to replace your y prime. The rest of this is we're given an x is equal to 2, y is equal to 6. So every single x is 2, every single y is 6. This is going to give us what our second derivative is at the point. All we care about is if it's positive, it's concave up. If it's negative, concave down. That's pretty much it. I think I covered everything. When it comes to doing implicit, that would be something that, if this doesn't make sense, to look up on Khan Academy. If it comes to not understanding the concavity, that would also be Khan Academy. But the main trick here is just how we do the y prime.